Welcome friends and family to Pagans Beauty. I hope you enjoy this video. Friends, here I've created an everyday hairstyle that can be used for work, on a date, or for school. I want to thank all the people that have donated to my channel. It's truly appreciative. Thank you so much. And if you want to donate, please don't hesitate to do so. I totally hope that you find this video easy to follow. And if you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Friends and family, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press the subscribe and press the like and comment your favorite part about this video. Thank you friends so much for watching, and I hope you have an awesome rest of the day. Bye.